Office hour. We are now go over our first question today. It's Annalee Reader, practice exam page 5, question 23. And it's a question about delta HF. So just make sure we are on the same page with this. Okay. So H for enthalpy, F for formation, 0 for standard. When things about formation, it's just imagine I have the magic power that I can glue whatever I need to form. What's this? HCOOH from its element form. So it becomes a game of what is the simplest form of each element. Okay, about this, only carbon is in its single form. Hydrogen and oxygen, the singlest form that they can have, which is something we call diatomic elements. They are already like in a pair. That's like the simplest way they can exist. They cannot just like carbon exist as itself. Okay, what else can be exist as itself? Okay, there's another example on the reader. I think in my 2A it showed up several times just to bring people's like attention on. There's a few. I'll write with red. Okay, there's a few people don't like. Okay, bromine is a liquid. Okay, this is a liquid. Okay, iodine is a solid. Okay, what's on top in the periodic table? What's on top of those? Chlorine, right? That's a gas. Okay, gas. In later chapter 13 and 14, so they are in the same column, by the way. Yeah, they are. They're all 7 on the 7th. Okay, in chapters 13 and 14, we're going to explain. Yes, from the electron perspective, they all have 7 electrons in the outer shell. Due to whatever reason, we're going to introduce that one of them is gas, liquid, solid. So you can see there's a decreasing entropy, S, right? Yeah, okay. So just pay attention to all of those. Okay, as long as you see those, when you write formation, they should be in diatomic elements. So based on that, we are able to wipe out, let me see. There are a few possibilities we can wipe out already. Okay, let me do this with this one. Okay, first, that's not even element. Okay, D is down. A, hydrogen is not in diatomic elements. That's down. What else? Okay, the difference between B and C is carbon is not gas. Okay, carbon should be solid. So that should be B. Cool?